Dear student, class 4, chapter 2 is more about Windows 7. Today, we will discuss about the basic facts of Windows 7 and after that we will move to book exercise and we will solve the book exercise. Okay, let's start our chapter. Basic facts of Windows 7. There are some basic facts of Windows 7. These are Windows Desktop, Wallpaper, Screensaver, Windows Explorer. Windows Desktop. After the booting process of the computer, the first screen that appears on the monitor screen is called Windows Desktop. We know that after the booting process of the computer is over, then the first screen that we see on the monitor screen, that screen is called Windows Desktop. Second one is wallpaper. A wallpaper is the background or image, is the background image that we see on the desktop. A background image is wallpaper and that we see on our computer desktop. Third one is screensaver. A screensaver is an image which is activated on the screen when we do not use the computer for a period of time. Children, we know that a screensaver is an image and which is activated on our computer screen when we do not use the computer for a period of time. Fourth one is Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is the file management applications in Windows. It helps us in viewing and managing files and folders. We know that Windows Explorer is the file management applications and it helps us viewing and managing the files and folder. These are the basic concepts or basic facts of Windows 7. Now we will solve the books exercise. Children, in our book exercise, the first question is fill in the blanks. So question number 1 is, dash is used to view and manage files and folders. Here, what is used to view and manage files and folder? The answer will be Windows Explorer. We know that Windows Explorer is a Windows applications and it helps us to view and manage the files and folder. So answer will be Windows Explorer. 2 number is, the dash icon allows you to access anything from your computer. The answer will be computer. That means computer icon allows you to access anything from your computer. Third one is, all the work done on a computer is stored in the form of dash. The answer will be files. That means when we have done our work on a computer, that all the works is stored in the form of files. Fourth one is, the dash window allows one to change the wallpaper and the screensaver. The answer will be the appearance and personalizations. That means the appearance and personalization window allows us to change the wallpaper and screensaver. And fifth one is, once a folder is deleted, its content move to dash. That means if we delete our folder or a file, then the content will move to recycle bin. So the answer will be recycle bin. These are the 5 fill in the blanks. Now we will go to our second questions, that is true and false. True and false. Question number 1 is, renaming means giving a new name to an existing file or folder. The statement is true or false. Here, renaming means giving a new name to an existing file or folder. So the statement is true. That means when we create one folder, that time we will give one name to each folder and it helps us to find it easily. That's why we give a name to our file or folder. If you want to change your name in your folder, then renaming option is there. We can change the file's name and we can give one new name to our files and folders. So renaming means giving a new name to an existing file or folder. So the statement is correct. So answer will be true. 2 number is, copying a file means shifting a file from one location to another. the statement is false. Actually, when a file when we shift a file from one location to another, that time we will use paste options. So copying a file means shifting a file from one location to another. The statement is false. 3 number is a file or folder can never be deleted. The statement is false because we can delete the file and folder. Question number 4 is you can insert a DVD in DVD-RAW drive and view its content. Yes, the statement is true because we can insert a DVD in a DVD-RAW and view its content. 5th one is the computer icon is not present on the desktop. The statement is wrong, false, because we know that the computer icons are present on the desktop. So these 5 true and false statement. Now we will move to our third topic, that is tick the correct options. Take the correct options. Question number 1 is which of the following is not an operating system? Option A, Windows. Option B, Linux. Option C, GUI. Option D, Mac OS. Which of the following is not an operating system? Question is not an operating system. We know that Windows is an operating system. Linux is also an operating system. Mac OS operating system is also an operating system, but GUI, it is not an operating system. GUI means graphical user interface. So the correct option is option C, GUI. Question number 2 is what is created when we save our work and give it a name? Computer icon, folder, picture, file. The correct answer is option D, file. What is created when we save our work and give it a name? We know that we can save our work and give it a name and file. That means we can create a file and save our work on a file. Okay, so the correct answer is option D, file. Three number is what is activated when the computer remains untouched for a period of time? Option A, desktop. Option B, screensaver. Option C, wallpaper. Option D, none of these. What is activated when the computer remains untouched for a period of time? We know that screensaver is activated. It is called screensaver when the computer remains untouched for a period of time. So the correct answer is option B, screensaver. Question number 4 is when we switch on the computer, it starts by option A is booting, option B is setting screensaver, option C is setting icons, option D is none of these. When we switch on the computer, it starts by booting. We know that when we switch on our computer, it takes time. That means the booting process is going on, and after the booting process is over, then we see the first screen of the computer, that is Windows desktop. So the correct answer is option A, booting. Children, I hope you will understand. Thank you so much.